Question 17. Into what estate did the fall bring mankind? Answer. The fall brought mankind into an estate of sin and misery. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Genesis chapter 3, verses 16 to 19 and verse 23. Verses 16 to 19. Unto the woman he said, I will greatly multiply thy sorrow and thy conception. In sorrow thou shalt bring forth children, and thy desire shall be to thy husband, and he shall rule over thee. And unto Adam he said, Because thou hast hearkened unto the voice of thy wife, and hast eaten of the tree of which I commanded thee, saying, Thou shalt not eat of it, cursed is the ground for thy sake. In sorrow shalt thou eat of it all the days of thy life. Thorns also and thistles shall it bring forth to thee, and thou shalt eat the herb of the field. In the sweat of thy face shalt thou eat bread, till thou return unto the ground. For out of it wast thou taken, for dust thou art, and unto dust shalt thou return. Verse 23. Therefore the Lord God sent him forth from the Garden of Eden, to till the ground from whence he was taken. Romans chapter 3, verse 16. Destruction and misery are in their ways. Romans chapter 5, verse 12. Wherefore, as by one man sin entered into the world, and death by sin, and so death passed upon all men, for that all have sinned. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 1. And you hath he quickened, who were dead in trespasses and sins.